Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily make someone your close friend on Instagram. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, so make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. So first of all, open up the Instagram app on your phone. You can follow the exact same steps if you are on an Android as well. Now you'll have to tap on your profile on the bottom right corner and then tap on those three lines on the top right corner to head over to the settings of your Instagram account. Now you'll have to scroll down a bit and who can see your content section, you'll be able to find an option of close friends. You'll have to tap on it, and right here you'll be able to find your followers and following list. You can search for any one of your followers by tapping on his name like this. For example, I want to add this one as my close friend and then tap on done. Now you can see I have two close friends. The account I've just added is being successfully included in the close friends list. I hope you have found the video helpful. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions about the video, let me know in the comment section.